This is monthly Billboard Row update. I decided to do it in the daytime. Nice day. We always start with this Marine recruitment. US Marines. Although it's barely visible. Here is Amazon Prime. And over there, La Factory, we see Joe Rogan. On Netflix, probably not in the stand-up. Let's get better look at the Marine running through the mud. Alright. La Factory on the right, good. Greenblatt's Deli. Probably last deli in America. Used to be a lot of delis, not anymore. Everything replaced by green leaf, sweet leaf, all kind of organic things. Verizon on the right, AMC, Iron Fist, Netflix on the left, Adult Swim on the right. Netflix? No, I don't know. But apparently Netflix owns some billboards now. Used to be different companies. This is TBS. Vertical is always Apple product. Now it's new phone. Netflix. Some kind of Reno Tahoe website on the left. Some kind of hair designer on the left. Passing Cabo Cantina, Standard Hotel, upside down side, Sci-Fi Black on the left. Here is some kind of acne studio. Hate you guys in theaters. Men's Style, Destination, Fashion, HBO, Camping on the left, and that electronic billboard flashes some TV shows mostly. Voice on NBC, 8 p.m. Past Andaz Hotel. This is the Comedy Store. Jessica Warrington. Today, probably. Mandrian Hotel. See the door with door handle. Alright. Yves Saint Laurent. Some kind of David Guetta. New studio album out now. Behind it, Revlon. Used to be beer on this wall. Pirelli beer or something. I Feel Bad, NBC show. On the left, on the wall, High School, September 28, in theaters probably. This billboard always Comedy Central. Now they have canceled South Park. That one, Amazon Prime Video, red one. The Romanov. What's on that YouTube Music? Some kind of woman on YouTube Music. And the verticals on a building. Ramona Building Legacy. Maybe it's name of the building, Ramona. Some kind of realtor, Oppenheimer Group. That's the Target store, I guess. Entering restaurant and fashion, black watch, H&M store, and again YouTube music. Here is the new burger place, Wahlburger. Fashion. Mayans still here. FX channel. Okay. This fashion. Hermes Paris. Those cockroaches always here for a year probably, never change. Another Joe Rogan Netflix, and Jim Carrey Showtime. This billboard is empty, and this is a movie, Smallfoot, September 28th, which is already passed. Now it's October 1st. Lady Gaga, Star of Burn, October 5th. CBS 2. Both billboards, CBS 2. And then NBC Will Grace. Here is local channel. Channel 5 local. Supergirl. Let's check that big wall. It's always HBO. My Dinner with Henry. And HBO. That vertical is Apple Music always. And they probably have name of the artist there. Here is Whiskey Go-Go, October Fair, Angara, today. Today is Angara. And they have a bunch of movie posters on the walls. Cannabis Madman chain of stores. They sell marijuana. And here is another Netflix. Private Life. This is One Oak Dance Club. We will turn around when we hit next traffic light. Fox 11, it's local Fox. Another Comedy Central. TNT channel. 6 Emmy nominations. Emmy already happened. Did they score any awards? This is a sushi place, Roku Sushi. Pedestrians. This building on the left, it's Soho House. Hollywood. The club that accepts creative professions members. Okay, let's go back to where we started. Another Netflix. Maniac. Some kind of, I try to watch it. It's about Tasting medication by some evil Japanese company. It's predictable and annoying, on my opinion. Maniac. Alright, this is fashion. Stuart Weltzman. He's on Rodeo Drive. Let's check this building. Camping identical as on the other side of the building. HBO camping. What's this smaller billboard? Sci-Fi channel. Night flyer in December. On the left there is a gas, fashion, I guess, store, and black vertical is Apple Music. We just passed Roxy and Rainbow. Here again, Maniac, about evil Japanese. On what site? Netflix. EMC. Hard to tell what it's about. Either it's Western Indians versus cowboy or what. Halloween coming up. Novelty store Check this out. Tattoo, pet grooming and Subway. Cigars, Psychic, Gypsy shop. What's there? Netflix again. Something to do with Halloween hunting. Amiri, sound like Armani, fashion. This is always Pixel iPhones. What's that? Another Netflix. Here is YouTube Music. And here is YouTube Taxi, Uber Taxi. French restaurant, Le Petit Four. Sunset Plaza. Equinox Fancy Fitness Center, West Valley Parking. What's this? There's H&M. Channel 7, I guess. Local. ABC, probably. Here is the phone app that walks your dog's leg. Office, I guess. And over there, Hero 7 lock, waterproofing. It's a GoPro camera, Billboard. Black one. Proven, not waterproof. Proven. The other black billboard is Spotify Tom Petty American Treasure album, I guess. Showtime, Shameless, Sundays, let's check that pointy roof house. Probably has nice view. Top of the hill. Kind of similar, the truck in a bus and truck in a Porsche. Resemblance. Here's something gonna be built. Here's photo shoot going on. Some equipment. The van, also equipment. Alright, NBC4. Guy looks like Adam Sandler. NBC. In 2013, flight 828 disappeared. Today it can coming home. Came home. Yeah. Believable. Passing Jeremy Hotel. I heard that they rename it into one. Just one. Alright. Venom Theater. What's that? Some cleavage. Not a porter. Again, this maniac. Everywhere. Flooded sunset with this maniac thing. Katana restaurant in this building. Katana stands for Japanese sword, right? Comedy store again. Here is the building, something on a spot where was House of Blues. Suicide construction worker stopped me.